Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell if you are new to the page. If you've been rolling with me for a while, hit like. This is brought to you by Stock Up You. There'll be a link in the description. All promos have ended. All right, so we're going to talk about quantum computing. Why is it taking a hit? It's taking a smackdown. Most of them are down by over 50%. We're going to dig into that. We're going to look at Microstrategy, what's going on with it. So stay tuned, and we will be live tonight here. So I want you guys to come back tonight here at 7 Eastern time. That's 6 Chicago time, 4 LA time. I'm going to have Stocks with Josh and my man Keenan Grace. Here's what's going on. U.S. weekly job claims fall to 11-month low. Okay. We had weekly jobs list claims at 201K versus 215K. So, jobless. I'm sorry, I said job list. Jobless claims are falling. Okay. So this is that cycle again where good news is bad news. The Fed is focused on jobs. Remember, he's focused on jobs. You and I are focused on interest rates. And if the job market continues to show itself strong, then the Fed is less likely to cut interest rates. And that's why the market keep getting this data that is actually good for the economy, but bad for you and I's stock. Okay, so I had a few more notes here, so forgive me if I go back and forth. All right, we know that the stock has changed. It's going to be closed tomorrow because of President Carter's funeral, because of him dying. That's the day of observation. Okay, so remember that on your trading day today, that the stock market will be closed tomorrow, right? Janet Yellen, if she hasn't already spoke, she's speaking today. She's going to be talking about the economy, the incoming president, blah, 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 blah. These are the people, Janet Yellen, the SEC, these are the people that are market movers with what they say. And there's some loose Fed, state by state Feds that are talking. So it's a lot of short-term downward pressure on the market, okay? Then we got the Fed minutes, and then we got more job data coming on Friday. So just be careful. It's going to be a choppy week. Okay. So here we are right now at the time of filming this. We could see that everything yet again has sold off. We were green in the pre-markets until that job data came out. But right now on the 1 day, we can see we're down, right? But if you go out for the week, it's not that bad. It is. It's actually a nice little bump off if you look at it. That's the month. I'm sorry. For the week, it's not that bad. All right. So I'm looking at the Dow, S&P, and the NASDAQ. Let's keep it moving. Let's get right into it. Quantum computing. At the time of filming this, we could see that they are down. Quantum computing down 50%. D-Wave down. Rigetti down. Quantum Corp down. Sound AI is down. Why are these all tanking? Why have they been holding pretty steady? Though I told you they don't have money. Though I told you put a trailing stop loss or a hard stop loss time and time again. Though I told you don't put all your money into this. Though I told you I bought 3,000 shares. That was up 1,700%. I took profit on 2,500 shares. Most of you did sell. Most of you did have your stop losses on. And everybody that is in my stock crypto club, you guys should be fine. All right. In profit, in huge profits. Leave me a comment if you are in huge profits. So if you're not going to listen, and if you're not going to listen to the rules of the game, don't play. All right. All right. So listen, I want you guys to understand why this happened. Okay. Quantum stocks drop as NVIDIA CEOs see use years away. Okay. So it was all based on what Jensen Huang said. Right. So Here's what he said, good people. So you will have everything so you could make an educated decision for you. If you kind of said 15 years for a useful quantum computers, then that would probably be on the early side. If you said the 30, that will probably be late. So he's saying you got about 20 years before it's a thing, quantum computing. That's what Jensen Huang said. And that's what tanked the quantum computing market, right? So after that, he was enjoying a nice bump, right? He was enjoying a nice bump. So Jensen Huang was enjoying a nice bump while the rest of the quantum computing stock were taking or are taking a beating. Now, there's some ones here that I still believe in, and I still have some quantum computing, right? Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. I cashed out a ton of money, all right? I cashed out $45,000 off of a $2,700 play, remember. And so I kept 500 shares. Now those are long, and I'm still up. Even with this pullback, I'm still up on those, all right? Now, it depends on where you got in. So I still believe in quantum computing, but here's one thing I'm gonna tell you about quantum computing. Here's what's going on with quantum computing, and you do your own analysis, okay? I'm just telling you that I'm going to hold a few shares that I have left. Quantum stock experienced significant dip amidst industry concerns, right? So it talks about quantum dropping, all of that, right? But it also says qubt stock dropped from this price, all right, marking a significant downturn despite positive business developments like securing its third and fourth purchase orders from thin film lithium. Okay, so they're still securing orders, the third and their fourth order, right? But what happened? NVIDIA CEO. And that's what tanked the whole thing. So if you think that it is a overreaction, then you know what to do. Now, here's something else I want you to be aware of, okay? Adding to the pressure, qubt also announced a private placement of common stock on January 7th, where 8.16 million shares were sold at what? $12.25 per share, right? For those of you that know how this go, there's your price, okay? There's your price, $12.25, whenever they do these type of share dilutions, okay? So it's a lot for people that don't know what's going on and really don't know. And that's why I've been beating the drum for you guys to really study. So you'll know how to, how to go when these things happen. Let's talk about Microstrategy. Microstrategy is down, actually not by much right now, as we got CleanSpark and Palantir also going down. Palantir is also one of the ones that's taken a hit now. It's been downgraded, but I'm telling you guys that I'm holding mine. I'm a long Palantir. I'm holding, and I'm actually looking for another buying opportunity, okay? And then Microstrategy, I'm in a position where I'm going to buy my way down on Microstrategy, okay? Let's look at Bitcoin compared to Microstrategy, and let's see what's going on. This is what's going on. Bitcoin is going down and Microstrategy is going down, but they're down by the same amount. So it's not time for me to buy yet. You guys know I've been showing you guys that I like to buy. We could see that Bitcoin is the blue and Microstrategy is the yellow. So I'm not going to buy today. Yesterday, it looked like it was going to be a buy day. I'm not buying because I like the spread to be more. Okay, if you don't understand that, you got to look at my older videos. It's a lot. We got to keep it going. And then Bitcoin is hovering around 95. We're at 94, 94. Okay, and so it's down another 3% in the last 24 hours. So now we're pretty much basically flat for the week. We had a resurgence where it went up, and now we're back to being flat for the week. So I wanted to get you guys all of this information so you can make an educated decision on your money. In closing, I want to tell you guys that all of the coupons are done for Stock Up You and for stocks and crypto. Coupon, all of the coupon code, all of the promotions are done. Okay, they're done. And if you want to get 2024 prices, then just buy it, no coupon code needed. And then for those of you that I'm going to start advertising this on the 16th, my money moves. We have a couple of thousand people in there already. If you want early access, you could have that. This is my version of a Discord that is focused on education. It is not a part of Stock Up You. Stock Up You is where you just learn and you can kill it in stocks and crypto. You learn anytime, anywhere. You have your own login. Money Moves is my version of a Patreon, though it's not a traditional Patreon. There is no promotion going. Every promotion ended on the 1st for this one too. All right. So that's Money Moves. That's going to be the second link below. This is the year for us to learn and earn. And I just see all of this as temporary. I see this sell-off as an overreaction. I do. I stand alone and I stand by. I put my money where my mouth is. And so just remember to meet us tonight live as the three of us discuss this. We don't always agree, but I state what I think and I stand alone based on my research. Okay, so come join us tonight. All right, make sure you check out those links below, and we will see you tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right.